Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
First, verify your internet connection and confirm the correct date and time settings. Open Settings and choose Date and Time, and enable Automatic Network Time. Next, restart your phone to refresh background services and processes. After reboot, open Settings, Apps, Google Play Store, and clear cache and storage for both Play Store and Google Play services. Make sure your battery is at least 20% before continuing to avoid interruptions. If clearing cache did not work, remove and re-add your Google account. Go to Settings, Accounts, select your account, and choose Remove Account to delete it. After removal, restart the device and go back to Settings, Accounts, and Add Account to re-add your Google account. Once re-added, open Accounts, choose Sync Now to force synchronization for contacts and Google Play services. If authentication still fails, open the Play Store app info and choose Uninstall Updates to revert to Factory Play Store. For persistent errors, check for Android system updates in Settings and install them. Update Google Play services by visiting the Play Store or by sideloading the official APK from a trusted source if required. Back up all important data and media before performing any major resets to prevent data loss. As a last resort, perform a factory reset from Settings, System, Reset options to restore the device. After reset, restore your backed up data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.